Hi, I'm Ajinkya, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to optimize your ad creatives and drive more conversions and clicks. Creating effective ad creatives can be a challenge. You need to make sure your ads are visually appealing, relevant to your audience, and persuasive enough to get people to click. AI can help you optimize your ad creatives by analyzing the data and making predictions about what will resonate with your target audience. This means that you can create ads that are more likely to be seen, clicked, and converted. There are many benefits to use AI for ad creative optimization, including increased click-through rates. AI optimized ad creatives are more likely to be clicked, which means more traffic to your website or landing page and increased conversion rates. AI optimized ad creatives are more likely to convert visitors into customers, which means more sales for your business. AI also helps in reducing costs because AI can help you optimize your ad creatives so that you're only paying for clicks from people who are actually interested in what you have to offer. There are a few different ways to use AI for ad creative optimization. One of the ways is to use AI-powered tools such as Google's Smart Display Ads. These tools use machine learning to optimize your ad creatives based on your target audience and your goals. Another way to use AI for your ad creative optimization is to use AI-powered platform such as Frasee. I'm going to spell it P-H-R-A-S-E-E. Try this tool. This is going to blow your mind. These platforms offer a variety of AI-powered features such as ad copywriting and headline optimization. AI is a powerful tool that can help you optimize your ad creatives and drive more conversations and clicks. If you are looking for a way to improve your ad performance, I encourage you to try using AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. In the comment below, let me know if you have any questions about using AI for your creatives and optimization. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I know that creating effective ad creatives can be challenging, but I hope that this video has given you some ideas on how to use AI to make it easier for a little effort. You can use AI to optimize your ad creatives and drive more conversions and clicks for your business. One more additional tip: when using AI for ad creatives optimization, it's important to set clear goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve with your ad creatives? Choose the right AI tool for your needs. There are a variety of AI-powered tools available, so it's important to choose the ones that are right fit for you. Monitor your results and make adjustments as needed. AI can help you optimize your ad creatives, but it's important to monitor your results and make adjustments as needed. By following these tips, you can use AI to optimize your ad creatives and drive more conversations and click for your business. I know that optimizing ad creatives can be challenging, but I believe that anyone can do it with the right tools and knowledge. If you are willing to put in the work, you can use AI to optimize your ad creatives and achieve your business goals. I hope this video has inspired you to take action. Start using AI to improve your ad creative and performance. Thanks for watching. And if you want to be a part of my community where I share a lot of information that can help you scale your business using AI and completely automate your business, join my community and follow me on my channel where I share a lot of valuable information about how you can use AI to upscale your business. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.